coming like say cartel fans them. Why you fi just do what them a do, bro? Them why you fi bow to cartel. Them why you fi pray to cartel. Them why you fi kneel to cartel.
Will Jamaica have to import people to help with the boosting of the country's economic prospects?
Yo, you can't say Birdbeat never tell you know. You can't say me never tell you no. We ahead of the game. We ahead of the game. People, welcome back to the channel. This is Birdbeat, and today we have a lot of topics to touch into. But before we get into that, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video. It helps us out a bunch and it literally costs you nothing. Also, we are on our way to 1,000 subscribers, so please help us reach that goal by hitting the subscribe button. We are currently at 293 at the time of this recording, so subscribe. Anyways, let's get into the video. Here we see a video of Mad Sus apparently receiving a gift from VYBZ Kartel. Let's see.
Thank you. So all the video goes. Yo, I'm gonna use the video for you. That's how it goes. So I'm gonna get the video too?
Yeah.
12. Start 12. Roll it smalley. One guy's on the shot. They don't do mad enough.
No, Birdnation, me not go comment on that, but I want you to share your thoughts down in the comment section below about that clip that you saw right there. Anyways, now, let's move on to the next topic, the main topic. Guyana selector DJ MAGNUM came out and had this to say about VYBZ Kartel and Gaza fans. Take a listen.
Me play cartel music every blood clot night. But guess what now? It coming like say cartel fans them. Why you fi just do what them a do, bro? Them why you fi bow to cartel. Them why you fi pray to cartel. Them why you fi kneel to cartel. Listen me, I make me tell you now this straight. DJ MAGNUM, me play cartel music and they say it stop. Me nah bow to cartel. Me nah stoop to cartel. Me cartel a put that big man thing, bro. Yeah, because how me if you follow back our man or bow to our man. We know Lisa I from she a 5. Watch her grow when she turn 16. Then go video her and put out the picture out there. And then see her mad and have all of them money and turn your back on her. If you wanna continue to play with my name, you're not gonna make it wicked pan cartel. Cause if you wanna speak lies about MAGNUM, then I will speak the truth about cartel. Because you can't come manipulate me bumbo hole. Yeah. So all the fuck you talk about, oh, my father, my brother, my father is not your brother, cartel pussy. That you got take back your talent and turn you in a frog and stop your ear from grow and kill your nature. Yeah. And me can give you no the details from blood clot that I true that make you have a friend every artist now on a pussy and I talk about oh me if you walk back a cartel. Oh me if you walk back a one man we go in a one song and say him don't just popcorn. And then when him blood clot done, him still got friend popcorn. Me if you trust cartel.
People, stay tuned and think about that down in the comment section below. On to the next clip. A lot of social media users came out and shared their thoughts on the matter. Please take a listen.
I see a brother come out and attack VYBZ Kartel. But my question is, what if VYBZ Kartel was still in prison? Would you be attacking him right now? Or would you be rejoicing in your heart? When VYBZ Kartel was in prison, aka the bottomless pit, aka L, and he came out after some years, what if when he came out, he was walking around, yamming out of garbage pan, begging for food, begging for money? People should him down and disrespect him. Not in his right mind. Would you still attack him? Or would you be rejoicing in your heart? Now you see, Kartel came out of prison And him never hesitate. Him pick up on his career and him start from where he left off. And he launch his product. He's taking plane like taxi, flying to other countries, meeting government and president, to have business talks, to launch his businesses in other countries. Making a lot of progress and a lot of success. Could it be that is causing a problem among some people? Because when VYBZ Kartel came out, that's not exactly what they want to see. They want to see suffering and all this type of thing. Now, I want to say to what I want to say. You see the time we are invest in a VYBZ Kartel, watching he's progressing and watching his business and watching what he's doing, you need to invest those time in yourself. Because the thing is that VYBZ Kartel do not see you. VYBZ Kartel have no time for you or anyone. VYBZ Kartel is investing his time in his business, which is correct. So what you need to do is to invest your time into yourself and your business. That's it. Right, so shocking Morris said that.
Anyways, people, that I to VYBZ Kartel for the video. Please tell me what you think about that down in the comment section below. Now on to the next part of the video. Jamaica's declining birth rate. I did telling about these people, so I want to stay tuned. I want to watch a little snippet here and then we're going to talk about it.
Will Jamaica have to import people to help with the boosting of the country's economic prospects? That's one of the questions being asked by General Secretary of the Union of Clerical, Administrative and Supervisory Employees UK's John Levy. His question comes following revelation of the country's dwindling birth rate. A Gleaner article last year revealed that with a population of roughly 3 million, for the first time in December 2023 recorded a fertility rate of 1.9, falling below the internationally accepted 2.1 fertility rate.
Awareness and so forth, people have been more cautious, very, very cautious in terms of having kids. And the economic outlook is not so bright. People have been very, very cautious. But it have another side to it, that if we're not careful, in a few years from now, we're going to have to import people from some of those countries that their birth rate is not so much under control, right? And we have to make sure that we plan properly. And we are going to look at some other issues surrounding encouraging reproduction, because I'm telling you, other countries give tax returns to kids. You have 2 kids, when you're filing your taxes, you get back more taxes than the man that do have none.
Now, for the real day ones from the Birdnation, them already know about this already. This is nothing new to them. This just a touch the media, but we are ahead of the media because they don't know the Birdnation always a stay sharp. Now, people, this was my first ever video on YouTube. You see me? I talk about the population collapse. I want to go watch that video after this. I talk about the population collapse and the population decline in Jamaica. You see me? My first ever video. That video ain't get no ratings. You see me? Nobody never there to watch it. Nobody never to like it. So, you don't really see me make no video like this. I realize the type of video where Jamaican people like. So, that me I make for them, you know. You see me? But a long time me I talk about this. And that's why I know say them asleep on Birdbeak and them asleep on the Birdnation. At this time, man, the thing so large, man, the Birdnation soon gone worldwide. But watch you now, no? In that video, I did make it clear, say, yo, the Jamaican birth rate, they way below sustainable figures. And that actually turn out for me and say the population are going to shrink. And when we run it on the graph and we do the maths and do the calculation them in the video, you find out, say, by the end of the century, by the year 2100 for roll around, less than 1 million Jamaicans are going to live on the island. Probably in the diaspora around the world and thing. Probably like a 2 million Jamaican or 3 million we spread across the entire world. But on the island of Jamaica, I think like 897,000 people are going to live here. So. And the low IQ individuals, them not really understand the serious significance or the serious impact what this really are going to cause to the Jamaican society and Jamaica upon a whole. But those who know, and who don't know, just no know. But if you want to know more, go check out the video, you see me? Yeah man, just go up on my page, scroll down until you find the first video, or you click the video tabs and click hold this, you see me? When you click the hold this video, it's going to be the one up at the top. Watch it and you're going to get to me I talk about. People, this is not nothing new. A long time Bird Beak I talk about this. TVJ and CVM and the scholar guy just a pick up on this. But Bird Beak been a talk about this. And that's why if you share up the video them, subscribe and make the Birdnation grow. Anyways people, that's it for now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share the video. It helps us out a bunch and we really want to get to 1,000 subscribers. So thank you so much for all your support. Birdnation, stay sharp.